So with just under 92,000 miles on my car, I ran over a pointy object in the middle of the tread, and when you do that, you can use a patch to fix it. So you can see that big fat thing stuck in my tire there. So what I did was I picked up the deluxe tire plug kit from Slime. You poke the hole clean with that, and then you use the eye of the needle there, thread it up with some of this magical tire patching string, and then you cover it with rubber cement, you shove it into the tire, and you rip it out. And that process went really well and resulted in the plug you see here, which I cut the ends off with some scissors. So now we're going to take a look at what it looks like 3,500 miles later. So we've been driving on it, wearing it down, and I haven't had to add air to the tire at all. So there's the odometer to prove that this is not fake news, but we actually did go 3,500 miles, and let's get under the car and see how she looks. So this stuff is rubbery, and it kind of melds in with the tire. It wears down flat and just gets flush with the tire and wears down at the same time as your regular tire. So if you look at it from the side, it just looks flat after a while. Just kind of wears down, stays plugged, and as far as I can tell, it's going to last the life of the tire. I figure we've got enough miles on it that it would have failed if it was going to fail by now. So I think it's good, and I would consider it a permanent fix.